Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how I use 3D printing to modify my Nintendo Switch dock. So I've recently purchased a Nintendo Switch and I've seen a lot of videos online where people are complaining that the dock is causing scratches on their screen. Now, Nintendo Switch screen is only plastic, so it's very prone to scratching. Luckily, a lot of people have designed different docks online. There's loads of designs on Thingiverse. Some are small and some, like this one, require very little modification to the actual dock. Now, I quite liked the original design of the dock, so I didn't want to change it too much. That's why I went for this particular design. But there are ones that you can print that basically make the dock a lot more portable. So I printed this piece out in 3D-QF black filament and it looks absolutely awesome. It's got this really nice matte finish to it which matches the rest of the dock, so really fits in nicely. I'm also thinking about printing out a white Nintendo Switch logo and sticking that on the front just to give it a bit more character, so that it fits in more with the whole theme of the dock as well. So the mod itself was actually really easy to install. All you have to do is replace the front panel, and I'll show you how I did that now.
Something so worthy. You have the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be. We can't get any
So that's it for today's video, guys. I will leave a link in the description below to the part on Thingiverse so you can print it out for yourself. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a dislike. Leave any comments you have down below. Subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Cheers. Okay, so let's draw the winners for the flexible filament competition. We'll have two winners, so we'll draw that. So, the winners are Anthony Williams and Christian Dallentoft. I will drop you guys an email and we'll sort getting the filament sent out to you. Cheers.